Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff internationally from, this case, the Royal Mint. We've got the whole range of the Bull of Clarence here, and we've got some, what's the other one? Merlins. We've got some Merlins.
That's it.
What's that series?
It's kind of the second phase of the Myths and Legends series.
That's
so we
right.
had the ones coming out from the Robin Hood. I kind of thought, I wasn't sure if they'd end the series or start up another one or what, but they've kind of done it as a second branch of the series.
So these are a bit of a standalone, that's why we're doing them first, and then we'll cut into the Bull of Clarence in a moment, which is part of a series, a bigger series. So these are the Merlins, one of my favourite characters of
The King Arthur.
Yeah. Got to put my glasses on to work out which way around it goes. It goes that way.
Out of the right way.
Pretty sad, isn't it? So quite a mirrored finish on this one.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you can see King Arthur there.
No, Merlin.
Sorry, where did I go? You can see Merlin there with his staff. Actually, I really like the detail in this one.
Being very wizardy.
Yeah, that's fantastic, that one. I love the design on this. It's simple, yet the more you look into it, the more detail you get. You've got if you look in, you can see the cuffs of his robe, and then they've got the design down the cuffs there. You've got the ripples in the staff, and his fingers pointing out. You've got all the detail in his beard. That's actually a great design.
Michael's a fan.
Yeah, I am. I love it.
Good stuff.
All right, on the obverse, we've got King Charles without his crown.
Without the crown, these ones were done a little bit ago.
They were. And that £2 face value there. So good coin, big tick on this one. I actually really like the design. And they've got something that there's things that we criticise the Royal Mint for. Their security features is not one of them.
Correct.
They have quite a lot of really good security features built in to their designs. So Reuben and I think Matt did a video on that not that long ago. So you could go hunting for that one if you want further detail on it. So that's the Merlin. Now, this is part of the Tudor Beast series.
Yes.
So we thought we'd get all the different sizes and metals together so we could do a comparison of them.
Would you be confident in saying that the follow-up to the Queen's Beast, it kind of very much felt like they went, hey, we're onto a winner here.
Very much so.
Let's have a look at the Tudor Beast. So.
And in all honesty, probably not as popular as the Queen's Beast, but second series, it's kind of like the same as films, the sequels never quite hit the mark the same as the original does, except for in Star Wars, of course.
I was going to say, Empire was pretty good.
Alrighty, this is the 2 ounce.
Yes.
And I got to admit, I really love the fact they do the 2 ounce in this, because a 2 ounce coin is not that common. There's not many of them kicking around.
It's nice and chunky.
It is. And I believe we should have checked this, and I always say this with 2 ounce coins, we should have checked our capsules actually fit them.
These ones do.
I'm fairly sure they do.
The only one in these kind of pied foot style ones that we tend to carry that don't is the mother and baby series out of the
Perth. Yeah.
And that one they're just slightly too big, but these ones and the Canadian kind of 2 ounce pied foots fit snugly.
Right. So they do come naked without a capsule. However, if you're buying one or two, we'll try and encapsulate them and send them out to you that way, or you pick them up that way. But if you're buying them by the tube, and I believe there's 10 in a tube,
yep, 10 per
10
tube.
coins per tube, then we obviously they won't come capsule because the capsules don't fit in the tube. Or there is, I believe, 200, isn't it, Rubes?
Yep,
200 in a box if you want a full box. So this is the Bull of Clarence. Now, believe it or not, this is an overlap with the Queen's Beast, because there was a Bull of Clarence in the Queen's Beast series as well, wasn't there?
I believe so.
Yeah. So beautiful design again. Not a huge amount of detail in there, but it's a simple design, and it's actually quite good, this one, with the shield on it as well. And then on the obverse, we have His Royal Highness King Charles with, again, no crown on him.
Correct. Moving forward, the other ones in the series presumably will have the crown on. So
my understanding, and I may stand corrected on this, but my understanding at this stage is this will be the only one that will be crownless
There you
King
go.
Charles in the series. So whether that means anything from a collector perspective, we are yet to see.
Yep.
Actually, I should have left that one out, shouldn't I? Just so we can do a comparison like we said. So that is the 2 ounce
Yep.
Bull of Clarence. I'll leave the tube out so we know which one it's come from. Then they also did it in the 10 ounce,
Yes.
which will be this one here.
There's quite a few coins I think that I'm mainly thinking of the Canadian ones actually that I really like in the 2 ounce that I would love if they also did in the 10 ounce like they've done here.
Yeah.
You know, we say it to death probably, but you know, getting that larger planchet with the design is always awesome. So something like the Kraken out of Canada, I think would look absolutely
In
awesome.
a 10 or a kilo.
Yeah, would look absolutely awesome as a big coin.
All right, now these come in trays of 3 and in boxes of, I think it's 15, isn't it,
I
Reuben?
think so. Yeah, there's a couple of levels there.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it's
15
in a box. And again, it's the same design, just on steroids. So you can see there much clearer the shield there that the bull is holding, the bull itself. It looks great. The rippling or the dimpling in the background of the design.
Yep.
2023 and 10 ounce of fine silver, and then the 10 pounds on the obverse side with His Royal Highness, again without the crown.
Although these ones being in a capsule as well.
Correct.
That's the other difference.
Yes, correct. All right, so that's the 10 ounce in the Royal Mint Bull of Clarence. Then in here,
Off to some different metals.
inside here, we should have the 1 ounce gold version, hopefully,
Of the bull.
of the bull. If we've done this right.
Which, you know, we've been getting pretty good at lately. I think that there's less times we've had to go, oops,
Stop the video. We've
quick.
dropped the ball.
Yeah.
All right, let's have a look. Again, no crown on King Charles, but the beautiful, beautiful gold. It always looks fantastic in gold. And the best thing about a gold coin, particularly from the Royal Mint, is you don't have to worry about the toning.
No, their gold, I honestly can't fault. We've had pretty good luck with their gold. They always come through looking stunning.
So that's the Bull of Clarence in gold. And then one last look. We've got a platinum. Actually, I think this one's already been opened. It has.
Yes.
So in the platinum, same deal again. So you can see there, there's very similar design. In fact, it's an identical design
Yeah.
to the silver. I'm not showing that well. I've got my fingers in a way, aren't I? But obviously a much thinner coin because it's only 1 ounce, and it's platinum, which is denser than silver.
I was going to say, it's normally I'd say you'd have to worry we don't mix that up with the 1 ounce silver, but that's it. The smallest design in the silver is the 2 ounce. So
yeah, that's right. And it has a face value of £100.
that's it.
Be all right if you had a 1 ounce silver and with a backing of £100, wouldn't
I
it?
reckon. Might have to bring a few of them over.
Yeah, that's
Do
right.
A few exchanges.
There'd be a few sold back into the banks if that was the case.
That's it.
All right, we have those in stock. We don't have huge amounts of them all because people would be aware of the fact that I'm semi-boycotting the Royal Mint just because of some of the issues that seem to be around with the Royal Mint products at the moment. So we're bringing them in for the collectors, stackers that want to collect that Royal Mint product.
We're halfway through a series here, you know. Well, two series here between the myths and legends and the Tudor beasts.
Yeah. So we can't just stop because that'll disappoint everyone. So we're still bringing them in, but we're not bringing them in large numbers. So if that's you, if you want the Royal Mint stuff, grab them while you can because this will be the only shipment of these that we bring in.
I think that's it. Absolutely. So yeah, links will be down in the description if you want to pick these up. And yeah, we will see you all in the next video.
Sounds like a plan. See ya.